Hello, and welcome to this SigenStor installation guide video. Before we start, it's important to keep in mind that this series is a supplementary resource, and we strongly advise you to read the entire installation guide thoroughly before installing or operating SigenStor. In this video, we will guide you through the process of mounting, wiring, and commissioning the product on the floor. To begin, it is important to select a suitable installation site in accordance with the requirements outlined in the guide. Required clearance space is also essential to keep the product away from other objects nearby. Now you can move the package to the ideal installation site and unpack it. Please note that a successful installation requires at least 2 properly trained personnel. After that, take a moment to inspect the accessories of the 3 packages. Make sure to verify all accessories against the packing list. Before beginning the installation process, please gather all necessary protective gear, installation tools, and cables ahead of time. This product offers great flexibility as it can be mounted either on the wall or the floor. However, please note that if you opt to install it on the wall, it is imperative that you install tripods on the wall for support. The tripods need to be connected to the mounting base with 4 M5 bolts. To properly install the tripod, use 4 M8 expansion bolts to secure it onto the wall. Make sure to mount it at a height of no less than 350 millimeters above ground level. Observe the horizontal bubble to make sure that the base is completely level. If not, adjust the placement until leveled. Mark the tripod mounting holes and secure the tripod on the wall with 4 M8 expansion bolts. While for floor standing installation, no tripods are needed. Up to 6 Sigen batteries are supported for floor installation. Firstly, place the mounting base on the ground. Keep a certain distance between the mounting base and the wall surface. Use a supplied leveling gasket to level the mounting base, if it is not level. Align the 2 handles with the screws reserved on the battery. Then use handles to lift the module and place it on the mounting base. Sigen battery should be kept horizontally and mounted vertically downwards. Mount the second Sigen battery and energy controller using the same procedure as before, ensuring proper alignment of the quick connectors. Secure the brackets connecting the base, packs, and inverter on both sides by fully tightening the M5 screws. We can now start with the wiring process. Prepare and assemble the AC output connector, RS485 signal connector, RJ45 connectors, DC input connectors, and protected ground cable lug by using the wire cutter, crimping plier, and wire stripper. Then attach the protected ground cable to the screw reserved on the inverter. Remove the waterproof covers and plugs on the terminals. Please connect the AC output cable to the designated terminal and it can be more securely fastened with an M5 screw for added safety. Next, insert the RS485 signal cable and connect the RJ45 cables as well. After that, proceed to install the Sigen CommOd and Wi-Fi antenna, before connecting the two sets of positive and negative PV input cables. Please ensure that PV cable polarities are correct. The video demonstrates recommended methods for cabling out. After finishing the wiring, the following step is to attach the decorative covers. You should connect the light strip and firmly fix the decorative covers on both sides, starting from the bottom and moving upwards. No screws or tools are necessary for this task. Turn the DC switch on to start commissioning with my Sigen app. Log in and create a new plant. By scanning the QR code and providing plant and owner details. Afterwards, download and install the latest software. And confirm the preset parameters. Conduct a one-click full system check to identify any potential issues with the installation. Confirm all settings, and now you have successfully added a new power plant. Click to check the real-time system and device status. Once the equipment has been powered on and successfully commissioned, you can install the remaining decorative covers. Congratulations on the successful installation of your new SigenStor system. SigenEnergy. Enjoy green energy.